Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about how to select your niche. This is one of the most important things you need to pay attention to when it comes to AdSense arbitrage business. The niche could be anything from celebrities, fashion, health, food, fitness, lifestyle, pets, travel, or practically anything people like to read and know about. I always advise to pick a broad niche that has several sub-niches. But the most important thing is that you are happy to work with this niche and feel passionate about it. If the visitor can feel the quality of your work, they will feel more engaged and therefore more likely to share your content. They won't feel that they are just being invited there to click on your ads, which of course they are, but you don't want them to know that. There are a lot of gurus on the internet that will recommend you to build a niche around a specific niche and don't go broad. That might work for you if you consider yourself lucky. When you're first starting out, the niche should be broad enough that it can have several monetizable sub-niches. For example, the pets niche. I can write articles about cats, dogs, birds, and so on. Or the lifestyle niche. I can talk about dating, relationships, cars, fashion, etc. etc. This will give you more opportunities to test various articles in multiple categories. Just don't build your website around a very specific niche. The best way to come up with niche ideas is analyze the competition. There are a lot of different websites out there to get niche ideas from. Actually, there are thousands of them, and I have picked the best Adsense arbitrage website I came across. Let's take a look at the first website, brainberries.com. This is the homepage. As you can see here on the top, we have the main website categories: design, funny, interesting, gadgets and science, movies and TV, travel, culture and arts, animals. They're covering a lot of topics. They are not limited to a specific niche. They talk about pretty much everything. Let's click on one of these topics, animals, for example. A lot of different articles talking about animals. This is an AdSense arbitrage website, by the way. You can tell from the number of ads on the page. This is AdSense. Also, they have native advertising from Rev Content. And if you click one of these articles, they have native ads from MGID in the middle of the article. And at the end, they have split this article into multiple pages. If you click on this arrow, it will take you to another page and so on. These are called slideshow articles. I will talk about those and show you how to split your own articles in a future video. The next website is herbeauty.com. It all covers different topics besides beauty. They have fashion, relationships, home, lifestyle, beauty, entertainment, food and travel. The design looks pretty much the same like the previous website. This is also an arbitrage website. We have AdSense ad on the sidebar. If you click on an article, they also have native ads from MCID at the end of the article. These two websites spend thousands of dollars running campaigns on native advertising. They have been in the game for a very long time and they have tested a lot of different topics. So choosing a niche from these sites is a good choice. And if you take a look at their analytics stats, I'm using similar web extension. All of their traffic is coming from display. That's a lot of money to spend on advertising. If you're looking for more niches, I have included a link with this video. Click on it and it should take you right to this page where you will find the most popular viral websites. And the first one on the list is BuzzFeed. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with BuzzFeed. This site is huge. At the top, we have the main website categories: news, videos, quizzes, tasty. If you hover over this drop-down arrow, it will give you more topics: animals, food, celebrities, a lot of different topics to choose from. Check the other website and decide which one you like the most. I'm not going to recommend you a specific niche because they will be absurd. What worked for me may not work it for you or for other people. So do not overcomplicate the process. I have showed you two live arbitrage websites, Brainberries and Whole Beauty. So go ahead and pick a niche and let's move on.